good work tips doing box ends. If I've got a 150 barge board and maybe a 150 on a soffit, the box end's really tiny. So at the end, I cut a bit of soffit round, bigger, so the box end's bigger. If it's too big, I'll just cut it back to suit so it looks in proportion. Also, good little work tip is, this is how I do my box ends. I will hold that in line where the joint is, and I leveled it up. Then I'll cut my barge board neat. Then I'll put a level across to lift it up or down to suit, so I know it's level. I'll mark the back of it, then I'll cut it. And once that's fitted, my box ends, I will join it so. If my fascia is only a small upstand, and I know it needs to be 50mm, I lift it up to think of how it's going to work with the slate. Once it's pinned and levelled, then I will cut my corner strip round, but I cut it like so. So when it does go around the back, I can level it and move it to suit, and it will cover the joint. That way, everything's nice and neat and tied in. Also, I'll make sure all my nails are perfectly in position.